I speak a lot of pidgin English and it has messed up my English. How to speak good English again. You get my point? Help me in my vocabulary, like. Hey besties, welcome back to my space. I'm Bonnie Helen here, and if you're new, you're welcome. If it is your second time or you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for gracing me with your presence. So I want to plead, please, it doesn't cost you anything to click on that red subscription button down below. Turn on the bell notification so each time I post a video you will be the first to know. So just go ahead and subscribe. I'm waiting. Okay, thank you very much for subscribing. Today's topic is quite dear to me in a way, and I just want to come on here and talk about how YouTube changed my life in less than 100 subscribers. I've been on YouTube for about a month plus, and trust me, my life has really changed. Beginning with helping me not fall into depression. So a backstory: I'm a mom of three. I had my second child and he was just 6 months going to 7 months when I found out I was pregnant again. And trust me, I did not want to have that third child because I was not mentally ready. I didn't have a job, I did not have a really good business that will help I and my husband. So you get it. So I was not financially, I was not stable, mentally, physically, everything. So having that pregnancy all through, it kind of brought me down. I was looking at my body. My body was a mess, my skin was a mess, everything was going berserk. So short story, it was really disturbing me. And after I had the baby, you know, with postpartum, there are lots of things that you go through as a woman and you really just can't explain. So I was really down, and then I was watching YouTube videos. I watched so many of those motivational videos, and I was like, okay, why don't I do YouTube? Why don't I come on and start a journey of self-love and the rest? And that is how I started. And I said, okay, I will start taking care of my skin, I will start taking care of my mental health and everything. YouTube has helped me to gain self-confidence because taking care of my skin, my kid is up. How would you say? Because right now I do take care of my skin and I'm happy the way I look, and I feel really confident the way I look. So that gives me joy. It has helped me because right now I can talk to people. Like before, my interaction skills were really low because I'm quite shy. I'm a shy person. Even talking on camera and talking alone, I'm still shy. But it's helping me like gain that confidence to speak in public, to talk, and it's helping my vocabulary too because I speak a lot of pidgin. I speak a lot of pidgin English and it has messed up my English. So coming on YouTube and making videos and talking with people, I'm like learning how to speak good English again. You get my point? So it has helped me in my vocabulary. Like I have to put in the effort to come and speak good English because so many other people will not know how to, they don't know how to speak pidgin, or they don't understand pidgin. I might have viewers who don't understand pidgin, and so that is how it's helping me. I'm gaining my self-confidence, I'm learning how to talk again, I'm learning how to speak with other people, I'm learning how to interact with people. You get my point? So that's another way that YouTube has really helped me. You see how YouTube is helping me? So definitely YouTube is worth it. Yes, it is worth the stress, it is worth the everything. YouTube has helped me become a diligent person, someone who sets her mind to do something and I do it. Like I got up today and I was like, what am I grateful for? And I was like, okay, apart from always being grateful for good health, for life, grateful to God, I'm also grateful for YouTube because it has helped me know, okay, if I set my mind that I want to do this thing, I must do it no matter the odds. Can you imagine right now I'm carrying a baby? Yes, but I'm doing this video. Ta-da! Okay. I'm carrying a baby, and one would never know. But before, I'll be like, I want to do this thing, and something will come out and I'll abandon the thing. But with doing YouTube, when I say I'm going to do a video today, I'm going to do that video. And I get up and I do my things very fast. Arrange my house, take care of my kids, feed them, cook, wash, clean, do whatever I want to do. And knowing fully well that at this time I'm supposed to come here and do a video, I don't want to be giving excuses. So it has helped me stop making excuses, stop procrastinating, because I'm one person who really likes to procrastinate. Like, I want to do something, I say, anyway, I can always do it tomorrow. But with YouTubing, it has helped me be straight and say, okay, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. So I'm putting my life in check. YouTube is helping me put my life in check. YouTube is helping me be that person that makes a decision and goes ahead to fulfill it. So I'm so very glad to be on the platform, and I've met people that I never thought I could meet. Their encouragement is making me happy. It's giving me a sense of direction, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm really glad to be here, and there are lots of things that I've learned on here. I know one day I'll get that 1,000 subscriber and I'll get that 4,000 watch hours, but for now I'm enjoying my journey on here. I'm happy with the experience, I'm happy with the things that I'm learning on here, and I'm happy for the new people that I'm meeting every single time I post, every single day, because I go to my YouTube studio and I see that 2 people have watched. It means that 2 people somewhere have seen my face, and maybe one person has learned something, and that makes me happy. So thank you all for watching, and if you have watched up to this time and you're still not subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. Please and please like the video so that YouTube will push my content out there to other people who might as well love my content. Thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.